To Suresh Creative Art channel. Please subscribe, and for more updates press bell icon. See, first I am going to explain how to draw eyes and nose, mouth. So I'll keep it one sleeping line here, one standing line like this, a center line, this one for measurements. I'll keep it here one eye like this. Middle I'll keep it on eyeball like this. Downside line little bit light, yeah, like this. Another line and eyebrow. Eyebrow anytime in big size compared to eye. Like this. See how eyes, how much size is there now? Same size, leave it in middle gap. One eye size. Here also same eye. I'm going to explain same eye. Same eye. Like this. Like same size only. See, both eyes are same. Now I'll keep it here, nose, here, mouth. Okay. See how to draw nose. Like this. Yeah, here I am going to explain mouth. This middle point is there, see, like this. See, compared to here. Eyeball middle point is there, na? Here to here. Mouth. Like this. Yeah, mouth. Now mouth also finish. I keep it here one like this. Bindi. Maximum here on like this eye symbol is there here. Okay. Now face, eyes, nose, mouth is finished. Now I'll keep it here one line for measurements here and here. Like this line. Yeah. Like this. Yeah. This one for this one, this design gold design is there now, like this, and here also like this, one like U letter downside, like this one curve line. This side also same only, like this, like this. Both are equal. Just you check it once, like this. And here one circle is there for this earrings and some designs. Yeah. Neck. Now this is center line. This side how much gap is the same, this side also same. So now neck also finished. Now this jewelry, I will keep it here and like this. Yeah, inside. Yeah, here one circle, you keep it 3, this side also 3. Okay, now pencil drawing sketch finish. Now I am going to explain face coloring. First I am take it this one lemon yellow, lemon, I'll keep it here. This one, which color? Lemon yellow, like this. I'm using this one, orange color. This one orange color. Which places dark is there, na? That one places I keep it orange color only. Yeah, downside here this chin is there, na? Here I keep it dark. I little bit red color for lips. Yeah. Now first layer is finished. Now I am going to explain detail work. See, I am using this one red color and all orange color, just mix it. Yeah, I keep it like this. This time, this one red color plus orange color. Now I am going to explain the eyes. I take it black color like this, black plus little bit red color. I am using, just mix it. Yeah. First I am going to explain eyebrows. Very dark like this. Yeah, actually dry after you can keep it red color is better, otherwise spreading problem. See, like that here came now, like that. So very carefully, like this. Yeah, so dry after you can use this dark shades is better, otherwise problem came. I am using black color for eyes. Next, little bit dark red. How to get dark red color plus little bit black color I am using. Nose is there, na? Here I'll keep it little bit dark tones like this. Yeah, and mouth. I'm using dark red line like this. I keep it some circle dots. Yeah, this one orange only. Yeah, orange dots. Yeah, some slim places you want means orange color, you can keep it better like this. Yeah, now I am going to explain remaining detail work. I'll keep it like some places dark tones. Yeah, actually here actually this one black hair. Yeah, this one black color only. Yeah, here also I'll keep it uh, Now Happy Dussehra Durga Mata watercolor painting is finished.